Hey there, gadget lovers! Welcome back to You Smile Tech, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today we've got an amazing lineup of innovative products that are sure to enhance your lifestyle. From epic party speakers to cutting-edge wearables, we've got something for everyone. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Garmin Tacx NEO 3M Smart Indoor Bike Trainer. First up, we have the Garmin Tacx NEO 3M Smart Indoor Bike Trainer, offering a super realistic ride from the comfort of your home. Thanks to built-in motion from Tacx technology, this trainer provides multi-directional movement, simulating different road types, even downhill. The integrated motion plates and electromagnetic motor braking system offer an incredibly accurate experience. Use the Tacx training app to complete training plans that sync from your Garmin Connect calendar. Enjoy virtual group rides, training rides with World Tour pros, and immersive routes. The NEO 3M can simulate inclines and descents up to a 25% gradient with superior realism. It provides accurate power, speed, and cadence measurements, keeping you stable during intense sprint sessions. Ride smarter, train harder with Garmin Tacx NEO 3M. Qudi Mask 2 next. Let's explore a new dimension of self-expression with the Qudi Mask 2. This isn't just a mask, it's a dynamic expression tool that reacts to your motion and speech. The emotional mode is where the magic happens. It reacts to your speech, blinks, and mimics head movements. Choose from 3 diverse face patterns: Robot, Kawaii, and XX's. But that's not all. With the in-app emoticon creator, you can personalize face patterns, including eyes and mouths, with a myriad of color options. In dynamic mode, the mask automatically adjusts its expressions based on your behavior and environment. Engage with ease using motion recognition triggers. Just nod or tilt your head to convey your thoughts. Plus, there are 50 vibrant built-in animations to brighten your expression. This mask doesn't just protect, it interacts, expresses, and connects. LungMaster Respiratory Muscle Trainer. Breathe better and live better with the LungMaster Respiratory Muscle Trainer. This device is designed to optimize your breathing, enhancing your overall well-being. The LungMaster simplifies breathing improvement with customizable inhale and exhale resistance levels. Whether you're working out or just going about your day, this device boosts your oxygen flow and energy levels. Achieve peak workout potential with deep diaphragmatic breathing. Experience increased cognitive clarity and relaxation, promoting better sleep and a refreshed start to your day. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to use anywhere, anytime. Plus, it's simple to disassemble and clean, ensuring hygiene and longevity. Choose from vibrant colors and experience the benefits one deep breath at a time. Elite Jumps Muay Thai 3.0 Heavy Jump Rope. Get ready for an intense workout with the Elite Jumps Muay Thai 3.0 Heavy Jump Rope. This isn't just any jump rope, it's a powerhouse for your training routine. Adjustable up to 10 feet, this rope suits users up to 6'2". Its stainless steel ball bearings guarantee a seamless and swift spin, perfect for both beginners and pros. Weighing 1.5 pounds, it engages your upper body and core for maximum results. The durable 12mm PVC cord is ideal for outdoor and rough surface workouts. Target grip strength and muscle endurance with each handle weighing 3.5 ounces. It's perfect for engaging your core, back, shoulders, and arms. Say goodbye to clunky spins and elevate your workout experience with this heavy weighted jump rope. Suunto Sonic Bone Conduction Headphones. Bring music to your outdoor sports with the Suunto Sonic Bone Conduction Headphones. These headphones keep you aware of your surroundings while delivering rich sound. With an open-ear design, you can safely listen to music while running outdoors. The lightweight and comfortable build, combined with a new sound transducer, produces heightened bass and reduced noise leakage. Rated IP55, the Suunto Sonic withstands extreme conditions, whether it's freezing cold or blazing heat. Enjoy up to 10 hours of battery life with a quick charge feature, giving you another 3 hours after just 10 minutes. Recharge fully in just 60 minutes and get back to your run with better, safer headphones. The Suunto Sonic is perfect for athletes who love their tunes. Helight Sleep Red Light Therapy sleep device struggling with insomnia. The Helight Sleep Red Light Therapy sleep device offers a safe, natural solution for better sleep. Harnessing the power of pure 630 nanometers red light, this device follows a patented protocol inspired by NASA. It promotes natural melatonin production, helping you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. With a simple USB rechargeable battery and a portable design, it's easy to use and travel-friendly. Just turn it on before bed, and it automatically powers down after completing its 14-minute protocol. No subscriptions or apps needed. Better sleep is just a click away. Zima Dental Pod Ultrasonic Cleaning Machine. Next up, we have the Zima Dental Pod, an ultrasonic cleaning machine that eliminates bacteria on mouth devices like retainers and Invisalign. Using ultrasonic wave technology, it produces millions of bubbles that scour and destroy grime, plaque, and bacteria. This non-abrasive operation ensures your dental devices stay in good condition, perfect for cleaning aligners, retainers, mouth guards, dentures, bite guards, toothbrush heads, and sleep apnea devices. Enjoy a clinical clean right at home with the Zima Dental Pod. Fellow Electric Clyde Kettle. Rediscover the charm of traditional kitchenware with the Fellow Electric Clyde Kettle. This electric kettle combines the aesthetics of a classic stovetop teapot with modern features. Featuring a simple one-touch operation and an LED indicator, it's easy to use. With a generous 1.5-liter capacity, it handles all your hot water needs. The heat-resistant silicone handle allows for comfortable one-hand pouring, while the kettle remains cool to the touch. Plus, the drip-free spout and clear water level markings help keep your countertop tidy. Backed by a robust 2-year warranty, extendable to 3 years upon registration, the Clyde Electric Kettle is a reliable addition to any kitchen. Skullcandy Terrain XL Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. Next, we have the Skullcandy Terrain XL Wireless Bluetooth Speaker, your new best friend for epic parties. This speaker is all about delivering long-lasting fun and immersive sound. With an impressive 18-hour battery life at 50% volume, you can rock your playlist worry-free all night long. If you crank it up to the max, you'll still get about 8 hours of playback. And when it's time to recharge, the USB-C port ensures fast and efficient power-ups. Experience vibrant sounds with its dual 20-watt drivers and passive bass radiators, ensuring every beat is felt and every note is heard. Plus, with Bluetooth 5.3, you get a stable and fast connection with reduced power consumption. Worried about spills or splashes? No problem. The water-resistant design keeps the music going no matter what. All this can be yours for just $79.99. Ready to take your parties to the next level? Ready to take. Skullcandy Terrain XL Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. Next, we have the Skullcandy Terrain XL Wireless Bluetooth Speaker, your new best friend for epic parties. This speaker is all about delivering long-lasting fun and immersive sound. With an impressive 18-hour battery life at 50% volume, you can rock your playlist worry-free all night long. If you crank it up to the max, you'll still get about 8 hours of playback. And when it's time to recharge, the USB-C port ensures fast and efficient power-ups. Experience vibrant sounds with its dual 20-watt drivers and passive bass radiators, ensuring every beat is felt and every note is heard. Plus, with Bluetooth 5.3, you get a stable and fast connection with reduced power consumption. Worried about spills or splashes? No problem. The water-resistant design keeps the music going no matter what. All this can be yours for just $79.99. Ready to take your parties to the next level? Ready to take.